What is going on YouTube? Chuko Films here. So today I want to make this video fast, quick, simple, and this video is for people looking forward to buy the Sony A7S. So I'm gonna talk about a few things about this camera. I'm gonna talk about why I like it, why I hate it, why I think every videographer should have one. I'm also talk about like just some key features. So I bought this camera this year, 2019, $1,200 I believe on Amazon. I got the camera for a good deal. Before I bought this camera, it was a lot of things I was looking for. I was looking for a camera that has like a good video quality. I was looking for a camera that can perform really good in low light. And one thing I noticed is a lot of people that bought this camera would talk about the low light quality of this camera. So when I decided to buy the camera, I think I was using like an FD lens, which is like a really cheap, simple lens. The quality on the FD lens was good, could get the job done. But then I did a little bit more research and I decided to buy the Yungo, most likely pronouncing it wrong, the Yungo 35mm. But anyway, I'm gonna do a separate review for the lens, but we're gonna talk about this camera. This camera is small. It's like really freaking small. You can see the screen puffs up like this, you know, tilts up a little bit. Let me show you guys a little bit. I mean, anything and everything about the body is cool. Like, it's a cool camera, to be honest. It's one of my best investment. The thing I like about this camera is the video quality is so amazing. I had went out to, I think it's like a Jurassic Park thing in Atlanta, and I had did some video, just some video tests on the camera just to see how it would perform in low light and indoor. And this camera, the video quality, guys, is so amazing. I've been using this camera to shoot all my music videos, which I would leave a link somewhere here. I'll leave a link there so you guys can kind of check out the work I've done with this camera. But this camera is amazing. The low light is really good. The video quality is really good. Pictures, I don't really take pictures that much. I have taken a few pictures, but I don't do too good with pictures. Video is amazing, to be honest. I'm not even gonna stretch it out there. The video quality is amazing. Now, the thing about Sony cameras I don't like, and that's with any Sony camera I use. I used to own a Sony A7. Now I own a Sony A7S. The biggest thing I don't like about this camera is the battery life. The battery life sucks so bad. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's just Sony, you guys gotta step up the battery life in these cameras, man. When I had the Sony A7, the battery was bad. This one, the battery life is horrible. So I'm saying this to anybody looking to buy this camera, make sure you have about 5 extra batteries. 5 batteries will help you out in any shoots you have. I've gone to shoots and I would use it, and the battery, 2 batteries that I use or 2 batteries that I buy, it's just, I don't know, I just don't like the battery life, to be honest. I feel like Sony could do better with the battery life. What else I don't like about this camera? Honestly, that's really all that I don't like about the camera is the battery life. But as far as in the video quality, it's amazing. I would recommend anybody, beginner to the professional level, to invest in this camera. Ever since I bought this camera, I've been doing a lot of work. My clients are very happy, especially when they look through the viewfinder and they see the amazing quality on this camera. It's a beautiful thing. And I also forgot one more thing I really like about this camera is the profile pictures. The profile picture is like a whole nother theme I gotta talk about. But this camera has a really nice profile picture, which is also good for color correcting and color grading as well. But I would say if anybody's looking into buying, or if you're looking into getting a new camera or you're getting into videography, I would definitely recommend the Sony A7S. This camera is the best camera I've ever bought. Now, will I ever find something else? I really don't think so. I don't think I'm gonna use any camera for the meantime. And I know this camera is really old. I bought this camera a couple of months ago, and this camera is amazing, man. I would recommend this camera to anybody looking into buying one. It's really small, which is amazing for when you travel. It's really compact. Everything in the camera, I don't know. I really don't have anything bad to complain about the camera. Let me give you guys a little example on how beautiful this is. Boom, that's me right there. But anyway, I'll recommend you guys to buy this camera, man. If you're looking for an entry-level camera, professional camera, this camera is all in one. The only thing I'm gonna say is make sure you have at least 4 extra batteries to go with it, because the battery dies fast in this camera, but the video quality makes up for that. So definitely subscribe to this channel, Chuko Films. I know I haven't been posting a lot of videos on my YouTube channel, but it's just I've been dealing with a lot, and that's gonna change. So today I'm actually gonna start working on building more content in this channel. But please definitely subscribe. If you feel like I left anything out, or if you have any more questions on this video, definitely leave a comment. And also don't forget to click the notification button, so when I make a lot of uploads, you guys can also follow me. But this is my review of the Sony A7S. You guys stay blessed.